I invested. Okay, assume that I invested somewhere in the share market, somewhere, okay, in particular share. I'm not spending my own time. Okay, just I invested, that's all. That one is going to generate some money. Money generates money. This is the third level trading. Remember this one. So, among all these things, if you belongs to first category, how many of you belongs to first category, man?
I think, yeah,
How many people belongs to first category, man?
Yes, sir.
If you belongs to first
all.
category, if
Yeah.
you want to be in that category only, until you die, you require to work, you require to keep on selling your time. Getting the thing? There is no growth
Yes.
at all. There is no growth at all. You can't create miracles kind of thing in this circle. Remember this one. As long as you are doing this type of trade, you're never going to get the money. Remember this one. You never going to create miracles in your life. You may get the money just for your normal day-to-day expenses, for your kids' education, for your food, for your rent, for your dot. These kind of things only. It's going to be helpful. Okay, like now the second one. The second one, entrepreneur. Entrepreneur trading, wow, is the ultimate person. So he's not, you have how many hours per day? Being an employee, how many hours you have?
95
Being an employee, how many hours you have? You have in your day? Only
10
24
hours.
hours. Only 24 hours, of course. Employee, in that 24 hours, you are sharing some 12 hours time to the company, 12 hours time your family, and some 2 to 3 hours, okay, for yourself. Rest of the time for the family. Like you have this. Suppose I am the business owner. In my company, 30 employees are working. 30 employees are working in my company. Assume that. Then how many hours are there for me per day?
240 hours.
30 into 8 hours, assume that. For
240
employee, 8
hours.
hours, 8 hours, I'm buying their time. Then automatically 30 into 8, 30 into 8,
240.
240
240.
hours. 240 hours I have per day, man. I'm not having
10,
24 hours per
10
day.
days.
Huh?
10
I'm
days.
not having 24 hours per day. I have 240 hours per day. Then I can create miracles like anything in my life.